Hello, Namaste, welcome to Sayam Yoga. I am Anmol and today in this video we are going to learn Sun Salutation B. If you have not checked the video of Hatha Sun Salutation and Ashtanga Sun Salutation A, then the link is here in the I button and in the description box. You can practice that and then you can move ahead with the Sun Salutation B of the Ashtanga Yoga. These are the types of yoga: Hatha Yoga, Ashtanga Yoga, Aerial Yoga, Kundalini Yoga, many other types of yogas are there. So again, not getting into the confusion of the types of yoga, let's just know Ashtanga Yoga a little bit today as we are going to discuss the Sun Salutation B. So Ashtanga Yoga is made up of the series. So as we do the Hatha Sun Salutation, it is of the 12 steps, one after the other, and you cannot make the changes on those steps that are pre-described and everyone follows in the same pattern. So Ashtanga Yoga is made of the series. So there are 6 series in the Ashtanga Yoga and that has been totally described already and we have to just follow along with it without making our own changes and designing it in our own ways. Okay. And before moving into the series of the Ashtanga Yoga, the first one is called the primary series. Before doing that, the practice that we do is the Sun Salutation A and Sun Salutation B. Then we move ahead with the Ashtanga Primary Yoga series. So Sun Salutation A has been already discussed and today in this video we are going to discuss the Sun Salutation B. Sun Salutation B, now over the period of time with the practice, it gets smoother and smoother. So asana looks like flowing into one into the other and not like a steps and the barriers. But as we are in the beginning of the practice, I will show you the easiest way to get into the Sun Salutation B. Okay, so we are ready onto the mat for the Sun Salutation B. Coming to the Samasthiti, both the feet are hip width apart, feet are firmly pressed onto the mat, both the hands near to the waist, core in, looking forward, chin straight, shoulders down. Samasthiti, working on the breath. As and when you're ready, begin with going into the Utkatasana with lifting both the hands into the prayer pose, bend the knee, look at the back of your thumb, and as you exhale, drop the hands down, look down, head touching to the knee. Look forward, prepare yourself, and now you can walk back to go into the Chaturanga or you can jump as in when you are ready. Go into the Chaturanga and moving for the upward facing dog. Feet relaxed and downward facing dog. Take your body back. From here, left feet is turning to 45 degree, right feet is coming forward between both the hands. Adjust yourself and inhale to lift both the hands up. Look at the back of your thumb and exhale to drop the hands down. Take the leg back. Go again into the Chaturanga. Move ahead in the upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Right leg at 45 degree, left leg forward. Inhale up. Exhale down. Chaturanga. Upward facing dog. Downward facing dog. Stay for 5 breaths here. 5 Ujjayi breathing. 1. Heels pressing down onto the mat. 2. Hips pointing upward. 3. Shoulders externally rotated. 4. Lengthening the spine. And 5th, palms pressing forward. With that, you're ready to jump forward. So look forward, bend the knees and jump forward. Press the head down. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, come into the Samasthiti. So here we completed the Sun Salutation B. I hope you're able to understand it. If you're doing it for the very first time, you might find it a little bit difficulty into it, but gradually just develop the strength of moving. So do it for 3 times, then 5 times, and eventually you will see that you're building the strength and you're able to go through it. I hope you liked the video. Share it with your family and friends. Share your experience in the comment section also, and subscribe to Sanyam Yoga for more such videos. If you want to join private yoga session, group yoga session, or anything that is happening under the Sanyam Yoga community, do give me a message on this WhatsApp number and we will let you know all the details about it. Thank you so much for joining. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.